Hello, grammarians. Welcome to the English parts of speech. We're going to begin with the noun. The lovely, wonderful noun. Your friend and mine. They're mostly what you're going to encounter in sentences. Most sentences in English contain at least one noun or a pronoun, but we'll get to pronouns later. A noun is basically anything, and I know that's not an especially helpful definition, but we'll get more specific in a minute. A noun is basically anything at all. Now, the way this is taught in traditional grammar is to say that a noun is a person, place, or thing, which is fine. I think we can make that a little bit sharper and expand that out by saying that nouns are people or living things, places, things, or ideas. I think ideas is the one that usually gets left out. So nouns can be people, places, things, and ideas. Let's put that in action. So this is Raul. He is from Argentina. He is a penguin. Raul has big dreams. Now, okay, so I want to take these three sentences and find the nouns in them using the test. So the test is it a person or a living thing, a place, a thing, or an idea? And if it's any of those things, then it falls into the category of words in English which we call nouns. So, sentence number 1, this is Raul. What is Raul? Well, Raul is a person or a living thing, so we're just going to say person, so noun. Next sentence, he is from Argentina. Now, Argentina happens to be a place, so therefore it is also a noun. It's a kind of noun called a proper noun, just like Raul is, but we'll get to that later. So Argentina is a noun. Argentina, incidentally, is a country, and the word country is also a noun, because it is a thing. So, sentence the third, he is a penguin. Now, a penguin is a living being or a thing, so we can say, oh yes, penguin, that is a noun as well. So you've noticed I'm not circling he or this. These words are pronouns or relative pronouns, and they can sometimes behave like nouns, but I wouldn't call them nouns. That'll just get confusing. So these are pronouns, and we'll get to them later. Sentence number 4, Raul has big dreams. So here we have Raul again. We know from the first sentence that it's a person's name. So we're just going to say this is also a noun again. And dreams. Now, a dream isn't a person, a place. It's a thing, sure. The reason I put in idea as a fourth category is to get at stuff that you can't pick up. Like, for example, so dream, yes, dream is a noun. Dream is maybe a little tangible because it's something you can imagine, but the idea of like a word like bigness, or if you prefer, size. The size of Raul's plumage was astonishing. Look at that gorgeous plumage. It's a little penguin mohawk. The size of Raul's plumage was astounding. Now, in that sentence, size is a noun, but it's not a physical thing. It's not a person. It's not a place. It's not something you can pick up. It's an idea. So that's why I include this fourth category. So, if you're trying to figure out whether or not a word is a noun, just apply this test. Ask yourself, is it a person, a place, a thing, or an idea? And you, my friend, will be golden. You can learn anything. David out.